to change bridge pins, saddle, nut and strings on a right-handed acoustic guitar, plus add sticker detailing. Remove old bridge pins. Gently remove the pegs. You can use a professional remover tool. This one cost me £3.15 on eBay. Next, I removed the saddle. I bought a new ivory set of bridge pins, saddle and nut for £2.99 on eBay. Unwind the old strings from the string posts, capstan. I now remove the nut and washers from the string posts to clean them as they were rusted. You may not need to do this step. Next, I used olive oil on the bridge and fingerboard to bring the thirsty wood back to life. I fit the new saddle, the new strings and the new pins. The strings cost me £2.19, also from eBay. How to string a right-handed guitar from left thickest to right thinnest. Starting at low E, A, D, G, B, and high note E. Putting a kink in the end of the string helps the string to sit tight to the peg. Now let's go back to the headstock. Measure your string from 1.5 machine heads to cut. Measure the perfect length for winding. Thread the string through the string post, starting at the bottom left. Thread the string from inside to outside and turn the turning peg, tuner, anti-clockwise. No need to tune it yet. Bottom left string is string 6, note lower E. Tone is on the screen. Middle left string next. String 5, note A. Tone is also on the string. Everything else is exactly the same process. Top left string is next. String 4. This is note D. Tune on the screen. Everything else is exactly the same process. Now let's move to the top right string. This is string 3, note G, tone on the screen. You will still thread the strings from inside to outside, and you will still turn the tuning peg, tuner, anti-clockwise. Middle right string is next, string 2. This is note B. Tone is on the screen for you. Last but not least, bottom right string. This is string 1. This is note E. This is the highest tone. Tone is shown to you on the screen, but we will go through it again when we tune it. Now let's tune it up. Excellent. If you don't have a tuner, you can get one on an app for your phone. Next, I add sticker detailing. I got these on eBay again for about £1.25 each. They came from China, so they took around about a month to get to me, but they were so worth it. Just take them out the packaging, then you'll peel the back off the top. Be gentle with this step so you don't tear anything. Work out where you want to put it. Get a dry cloth, rub over the top to get rid of any air bubbles. Hi, Eva. Then pull the top plastic coating off of it. It might leave a sticky residue, but your dry cloth will get rid of that. This second sticker I put at the bottom of the body, but I kept catching it when I was using the guitar, so I did move it. It lost a little bit of its sticky, so I wouldn't suggest moving it if you did it for your guitar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and leave me a comment, and I hope to see you soon.